Hello everyone, welcome back to Python DevOps. In part 1 we covered all the theory, EC2 instance, instance types, purchasing option and EBS. Today is 100% hands-on. By the end of this video, you will have real website running live on the internet using EC2. Sound exciting? Let's jump in. As you can see, I have already logged into my AWS console. So everyone, we are on the same page. So this is the AWS console homepage. At the top you have the search bar. This is your best friend. Whatever service you need, just search it here. No need to remember where everything is. On the top right, you can see the region. Mine shows US East 1. Always make sure you are in the correct region before creating anything. Many beginners create resources in the wrong region and wonder why they can't find them. Now here you can see recently visited services. I have some services I have used. On the left, you have AWS service list. So I have clicked on it and these are the AWS service list. Don't get overwhelmed. In real project, you only use 10 to 15 regularly. Alright, now let's click on EC2 and get started. After clicking on the EC2, you will redirect on this page. So you on the left side we have the multiple options like instance, images, EBS, network and security, load balancing, auto scaling. We will cover all the things in the upcoming video. Meanwhile, in the right side you have the launch a virtual server. It has two buttons, launch instance and view dashboard. Let's click on the view dashboard. You can click on the launch instance as well. Now click on the instance running. So as you can see, there is a 0 instance running. So let's launch an instance. Click on the launch instance. It is asking for the first input, name and tags. Let's give a meaningful name. For me, I'm giving demo EC2. For you, you can give the according to your environment and your application. Like let's say have application name prod data. So you can give the name prod hyphen data. So for me, I'm giving for the demo. So it's demo EC2. Next, you have to choose the AMI. AMI is nothing, just OS image or the OS template. So we have a multiple OS option here, like Amazon Linux, Mac OS, Ubuntu, Windows, Red Hat, SUSE. So you can go anywhere. I'm keeping default. So it is Amazon Linux 2023 and it has some architecture, boot mode, AMI ID, publish date, username. So let's leave it as default. Next we have to choose the instance type. In instance type we have multiple option. In previous video I have shared how to choose the instance type. Meanwhile, I don't have free tier, so I'm going with the T3 micro. It has 2V CPU, 1GB memory and family T3. Next we have to create the key pair. There is already demo key is there, but I don't think I have this key. So let's create a new one. Give the name first key. Okay, keep secure this file. It required you to log in into the server via SSH. So if you lost this file, you cannot log in. So click on create key pair. Okay, it's downloaded in your server. Sorry, in your local. Then we have a network setting. In network setting, we have the VPC. We have subnet. So I'm not preferring any subnet. So by default, it will get some subnet in any availability zone. Next we have a auto assign public IP, so it's enabled. So we got the public IP. Via that we can access our website on the browser. Next we have a firewall. Firewall is a security group, so it has two options. One, creating security group. Select existing one. I can choose the existing one, but let's create a new one. So for allowing SSH, click on the allow SSH. So we will able to log in into the server using SSH key, which you have downloaded recently with the name of firstkey.pem file. Now allow HTTP. So we can allowing HTTP, we can surf our application on the browser. So we can check the application on the browser. Next we have configure storage. It has the 8GB and keep it GP3. Next we have advanced section. Let's leave as default. We will discuss in upcoming videos. So we'll create a detailed playlist of the EC2. So that's all you need to fill. So here is the summary. One is number of instance, next is Amazon machine image, next is virtual server type, next firewall security group, next storage. So let's click on the launch instance. So you can see it's created a new security group, then it's launch a new instance. So you can see it's very quick. Click on the instance ID. It has some instance ID, public IP, private IP, instance is running state. We can see in the details section we have a AMI monitoring platform. It's using Linux or the Unix. It has some AMI ID. We have the launch time and multiple things like account ID, host ID, number of vCPU. Click on the status and alarm. So it's still in initializing state. We have a metric. It has no data, should be, because it's in initializing state. We have no alarm. We did not configure any alarm. We have monitoring. It has also no data. Meanwhile, once the it's fully running state, you can check the CPU utilization, network in, out, packet, different packets. Then we have a security section. It has no IAM role but has the owner ID, which is account, same. And we have created a new security group. It says launch wizard 2. It has 22 and port 80 enable. Then we have a networking section. Okay, in the networking it took some VPC ID, it took some default subnet and public private IP, all the things. It has some ANI. Then we have a storage. Storage has the one volume we have created, which is 8 GB size, and it is in GP3. We have the volume monitoring as well, but it's initializing state, so no data available. Next we have a tag. Whatever we name give, it shows in tag name demo EC2. Let's connect with the EC2. Let's new a PowerShell. Okay, these are PowerShell, and the file firstkey.pem is on the demo location. So copy this path, open the PowerShell, run the command cd and reach this location. I'm currently on demo location. Then you have to connect with the instance using SSH. So run the command ssh-i, give the file name, and then you have to give the EC2 user @ instance public IP. So where I took the EC2 user, if you click on the connect, you will get the same command. We have the EC2 user username and the public IP. Click on this and run the command. So it's asking, are you sure you want to connect? Continue connecting. I said yes. So let's click on the yes. So as you can see, we are currently in the Amazon Linux 2023. We have run the ls command. You can check at which location we are the EC2 user. Run more command. In the separate video we will create for the Linux as well as a Linux admin tutorial, but in this video we are covering only Amazon AWS. Let's run more command like clear all the screen, run all the update packages. So we have to run the command sudo yum update -y. Okay, sudo is for the root privilege, yum is the Amazon package manager, and Linux package manager, and update is for updating the package in the OS, and -y if we got any prompt for say yes. So I'm already provided, so it will take from this command. So let's run this command. So as you can see, nothing need to be updating, so it's already updated. Let's install the Nginx web server. Sudo yum install Nginx. Okay, you got the prompt y. If you provide -y, so it will not ask. So let's hit enter. Then start the Nginx. Sudo systemctl start Nginx. You can check the status, running status command, status Nginx. So you can see that Nginx is running. Use the public IP to browse on the Nginx homepage. So it's asking continue to site. Okay, as you can see, we have the homepage. Now let's deploy a website. So I will create in my local index.html. You can use the emit abbreviation, which is give the HTML boilerplate code. So I put the content, hello, this is our first website we are going to deploy. So what will happen? I will replace this content by our content by deploying our index.html. For that, we need to update the index.html into the server. So click Ctrl C and reach the location of index.html, which is serving by the Nginx. So it should be in the cd user here Nginx HTML. Yes, you can see it. We have the index.html. So clean all the data of the index.html. Sudo nano index.html. Control K. Copy this content and paste it here. Control X. Now run the command sudo reload Nginx. Okay, you have to add the systemctl as well. Now refresh on the browser. So the content has been changed. So that's all for this video. In the next upcoming video, we will talk about the security group, key pair in detail, and how to use the auto scaling group. There's a user data as well. So if you like this video, please share and subscribe. Thank you.